sisosungula iqembu losuthu labesifazana sasikushilo waqala lokho ngoba sinenkolelo ukuthi ibhola labesimame libalekile ku-equalizeni ama-opportunities between the sexes. It's very important ukuthi a girl child must also dream and must create infrastructure and opportunities for their dreams to be channeled. And so AmaZulu ladies or women's team it's only a matter of time. And we've had some discussions, by the way, which I cannot share with you at this stage because that's just too preliminary in that direction. So it's only a matter of time. As for now, we're very proud of the success of Banyana Banyana. We're very impressed with the growth of women's soccer globally. And I think we are anxious to be part of that.